Hi, I am Shubham Rana and I am currently pursuing BTech from Netaji Subhash University of Technology, Dwarka. I am a full stack web developer and constantly learning new technologies in order to improve myself and explore this domain. So why do I want to become a GDSE lead? That is because the NSUT chapter of GDSE, that is GDSE NSUT, has been really close to my heart. Why? Because from the very start of my university till now, that is the fourth sem, I have been a regular member of this society and I have been connected to this society. Although the roles were different, in my first year I was selected as the web mentee into the society and we were being mentored by the leads at that time. And then in my second year I went on to become the web development lead of GDSE NSUT. So I am currently the web dev lead into the society. So during my leadership phase I have learned many things and also mentored the web mentees, current web mentees in the society, and helped them build projects and learn new technologies. I have also organized many events during my leadership phase, like introduction to Kickstart, introduction to Google 30 Days of Cloud, introduction to competitive programming, introduction to Hacktoberfest and open source, and some other events. So the domain which I am currently involved and exploring is the web development. So the tech stack I have worked on is React.js, MongoDB, Postgres, Node.js, Express.js. These are the tech stacks I have worked with, and two of my projects are also being used by the university also. Like one is the incentives portal of university, which is used by the university students for getting incentives, and another is the patent and research information management system, which is being used by our professors for maintaining the records of researches and patents into the university. So from very start of my university I have been very involved into the societies, because what I think is that if we are among the like-minded people, learning can really boost up, because the like-minded people can really give you competition and also make your learning path so much fun. So that's why I really promote community building, and since I am connected to GDSE from such a long time, I know what all things need to be improved into the society, and I think I am the perfect candidate to lead the society, lead the NSUT chapter of GDSE, and I think GDSE NSUT will prosper to become a better society under my leadership, and I am ready to put all my efforts in doing so. Thank you.